Hi everyone. Today I will show how we can use rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. Okay, just I'll show from the plain window. Okay, it's very simple. I'll show one by one. Okay, first we'll start from rectangular marquee tool. Okay, just select this tool. Okay, just selected. You can see one mouse. You can see the mouse point now. Just click wherever you want to start. Okay, just I'm clicking here. Don't release your hand from the mouse. Just keep drag. So just I'm selected till this much. Okay, so I need this rectangle. Okay, now we selected rectangle. Okay, the area selected. So now how are you going to fill the color in this area? Before going to fill, you want to make convert this is a separate layer. Otherwise what happened, this rectangle will be merged with background white color. Okay, now we want to make separate this zone. How are you going to do? Just click here, create one layer. Now the layer is created. It means that now we have created plain layer. The plain layer there is a range rectangle selected. So now we can fill here. How are you going to fill? So right click, click fill. You can see forward color and then background color. Forward color mean this is the first one. Background color mean this is a white one. Okay, I'm selected that forward color. Okay, click OK. So now it's selected. So how are we going to deselect this one? Control D. Control D means deselect. Okay. Now I'm just again I'm coming back move window. See now we selected rectangle. Okay, this one done. Now we can go next one. Same whatever you done for rectangular marquee tool. Same thing we going to do elliptical marquee tool. The only different the shape is different. Okay. I'll show one example. Select this one. Just okay. I need a circle. So I selected same thing. Create one more one plain background layer. Same same practice you can do. Click fill. Okay. I'm just selected bag. Okay. Now it's filled. Deselect. So now, if you want, you can change this color circle. How are you going to do? So just come back again here, forward color. So I'm selecting here. Okay. So now, if you want to fill this color, mean just click Control and click this layer. You can see the icon will be changed. I'm clicking here. So now we selected the circle. Now same regular one. Just click fill. We can we can apply now. So we have many options will be there how to fill that color in the layer. I will explain upcoming videos. Okay, just have basic you can keep in mind this one. Okay, now I'll go next one. Single row marquee tool. What is the use of this one? I will tell. Okay, just click here. I'm selecting it. See, when you are clicking in this stage, okay, what happened? The default one pixel row will be selected. Okay, see, just when you are seeing here, it's look like something line. Okay, but this is what happened. This is a one pixel selected. I will click Control plus. I'm making zoom. I will show from here. You can see one pixel default selected. Okay, so some case you want to create one rectangle line when you're designing something. Okay, in that time, okay, the simplest way we can directly apply, directly fix that width, and we can bring that rectangular line. See how now I'm going to show how we're going to do. So now we selected, just right click here. Okay, if you come to here, stroke line. Okay, you can see width. Okay, default I selected 20. So I'm just changing the color. So I need something like red color. I need selected. Click OK. See now we created one line rectangular, so look like a line 20 pixel width. Okay, Control D. Click here. See now we can move it. Actually, what happened? I created same layer. That's the reason it's coming in the same circular and this one. Okay. Now we can make undo also. Undo how we going to do? Control Alt Z. Control Alt Z. Okay. So now before going to start, create one new layer. Right click. Sorry. Come here. Click. Right click. 20. Okay, now done. Okay, now I'm going to show next one, single column marquee tool. This is also same. whatever we done for that row market tool, same thing, just click here. We have selected one column. Okay, just click new layer, right click, go to stroke, change that with the size. Actually now I'm going to give 40, enter it. So now done. So this is also one kind of column line we created. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Next video I will explain other tool how you going to use. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.